Play, if you think about it, it's kind of our first language. It's how we learn about ourselves, about our world, and our place in it. It's not until we go to school that learning and play often part ways. And that's not right. Because how we learn is as important as what we actually learn about. So here's where we come in. Kahoott makes it super easy to create, play, and share fun learning games in minutes. Whether you're teaching a class of 5th graders, presenting to a crowd of thousands, or just, challenging a few friends, you can create a game about any subject you want. Or just play one of the millions already created by our community. We're on a mission to make learning awesome. Let's play.